Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk messages to a list of usernames automatically using my software, MKTX. This is a feature that many people working in OFM, crypto, or those doing marketing on Twitter are very interested in. And honestly, it's also a very potential niche that you definitely shouldn't overlook. Now, this is the main interface of the software. Basically, it allows you to manage unlimited Twitter accounts along with proxies. As you can see on the screen, I've already added a lot of Twitter accounts. Each account is linked to a different proxy to change the IP for every account. That way, you can use these accounts to post, comment, message, follow, and perform other actions automatically in bulk. Alright, next, to send bulk messages, we'll select the viral marketing feature. Inside viral marketing, there are many different functions such as posting, commenting, messaging, and more, as you can see on the screen. To send bulk messages, I'll choose Send Message. In the Send Message section, I'll set up the configuration from left to right, top to bottom. I'll adjust the number of threads to around 12 concurrent threads, meaning 12 accounts running at the same time. Each account will send messages to about 20 to 30 usernames, with a delay of 20 to 40 seconds between actions. You can send messages to followers, following, or to a custom username list. Here, I'll choose to send messages by username list, and I'll paste the list of usernames here. I already have a list of usernames that I want to mass DM. To get this list of usernames, you can use the Scan Data feature inside the software to scrape the followers or followings of any account you want. It's very simple and fast. Next, I'll choose the message content I want to send. I've already added some content into the software. I'll just select the one I want to use and save it. I highly recommend adding multiple message templates to avoid sending the same content repeatedly, which could lead to spam detection. The software will automatically randomly pick different messages to send to each username. Alright, and after setting up everything, I'll select the accounts I want to use and click Start. Now, as you can see on the screen, the software is automatically logging into accounts and sending bulk messages to the usernames on your list. It's very simple and super fast. With MKTX, sending 10,000 to 20,000 DMs per day becomes extremely easy, and it's also a very cost-effective solution for your business. Alright, that's the end of today's video. If you find this software useful for your work, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp in the description below for consultation and setup support. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.